Partial compatibility, is it really so important? Partial compatibility is the two persons' character in a partial destiny to see whether they are able to clash, or whether they are able to produce, or whether they're in harmony. So there are 5 different elements within a person, and we are talking about earth, matter, water, fire, and wood. And everybody, they have their own set of elements. And in this case, if both parties are able to produce one another or in harmony, then it will be good. But in the event of any one party that is going to clash one another, then we have a tricky situation. So this kind of clashing will create problems, will create quarrels, will create a lot of argument, and they will not have the same thinking in many different things in life. It can be in financial situation, it can be the way that they do things. They will be very nitty-gritty in trying to find fault with one another. So that could be one of the situations whereby this partial compatibility will come in. So is it really that we need to see the compatibility first before you get married? Ideally, it should, because it's not a matter of seeing whether it's compatible. It's a matter of once we know that what are the situation, we were able to identify what are the problems, what are the potential issue of party A and party B, and each party will understand and see why is it like this, why is that not compatible. Because of that, then are they able to identify the problem and try to manage it? Because once you try to manage it, the clashing effect will not be so severe at all. But if you do not know why is the situation, then we have a tricky situation, because the whole energy of clashing will continue to evolve and continue to happen, so much so that the fight will come in, the quarrel will come in, the argument will come in. Eventually both of you will get divorced. That is the worst thing that could happen, because they do not understand the whole process. Which means that even though your partial compatibility may not be good, as long as we understand the process, we understand the problem, we understand what is the thing that is creating the issue, yes, we are able to solve the problem. Even though that the partial is not compatible, they are still able to live happily ever after. It is possible. Question is whether you know what are the issues. That means the real issue. We're not talking about whether this person is, have a third party, whether he is very angry or very rushed. These are not the key issue. There is always a deep down issue whereby once we identify the key issue, then because the key issue are the things that trigger the external problem. Once you solve the main issue, which is the key issue, then we are able to solve the rest of the problem that is external. You see? Okay. So in the event that if you are interested to discuss further regarding the partial compatibility, let me know. I will go through the process with you and then let you see how this can help you in your marriage and your relationship. Thank you very much.